Good day. So now we will review today this Jacemi 180 in 1 screwdriver set, or to be specific, precision screwdriver set. Okay, so this is the box, and you can see the specifications here and the screwdriver bits na included dito sa 180 in 1 na ito. Okay. So, this particular precision screwdriver set, I ordered it around 4 or 5 months ago. Pero ngayon ko lang siya re-reviewin. So, medyo naging busy tayo. Kaya, ayun. Yung backgrounder lang, ano, itong Jacemi. Ayan, Jacemi. This is a company from China. And this particular company has been making precision screwdrivers for a little more than 20 years. So, they know what they're doing. So, now we're going to unbox it. Okay. Ayun, no? 180 in 1. And it says here that it has its own mini container. Okay. Okay. So, meron siyang plastic wrap. Let's open this. Okay. Ito yung box niya. And this is a plastic container na, yeah, it's rectangular. It looks somewhat futuristic. Okay. And ito, no? Nakalagay pull. So, let's pull it. Okay. So, magnet ito. This is magnetic. I think this is a magnetic lock. Yes, yes. Ayun, magnet, oh. Meron siyang neodymium magnets, 4 na piraso. Okay, so we remove this first, this lock. So ang lock nitong container to, itong plastic container na ito would be the neodymium magnet. So let's set this aside first. And let's open this container of your precision screwdriver sets. Okay. Yan siya, no? Ilawan ko, no, para ilawan ko yung ibabaw para makita nyo mas mabuti. Yan. So, tatanggalin ko lang to, no? Desiccant for moisture. Okay, and let's open it further. Let's remove this rubber thing para this thing is holding the screwdriver bits together, para hindi siya sumabog dun sa box. So, yan siya, no? So, all in all, sabi nila, no, according to Jacemi, all these tools that are in this box totals 180. So, ito meron na natanggal, ano? So, it's there. Okay? So, yan, no? So, I think almost any type of screw pwede mong buksan or i-open using this 180 in 1. Kasi almost all types of screwdriver bits are here, no? Yun nga lang in mini size kasi nga this is a precision screwdriver set. You have tweezers here. Hindi ko na tatanggalin, no? Kasi para mabilis yung review natin. So, meron kang tweezers, plastic tweezer, meron kang spacer, siguro pagka magtatanggal ka ng magbubukas ka ng cellphone, ano? And you have this suction cup, okay? You have all this type of bits, screwdriver bits. And ito mismo yung screwdriver handle na, teka, ano ko lang. So, wait. I'll just position my light. No? So, you can, wait. There. Okay. So, ito yan, ano? Ito yung kanyang screwdriver bits handle. And let's try one. Let's say this one. So, ilalagay mo lang yan dito. And I'm sure may magnet dyan. Yes, there's a magnet to hold the bit. At yun na. Magagamit mo na siya. By the way, these are all in metric scale, no? So, yan. So, Balik mo lang. And then, let's try another. Let's say this one. Okay. So, this one, you can move. Pero, this is purely, nabasa ko, no? This is purely for aesthetics. Walang function to. Kasi iniisip natin na pag ginanon, baka magiging, ano siya, no? Parang ratcheting screw. But no, it's not. So, ano lang ito, no? Is in a fixed position. So, you have to turn it either right or left. Kung tatanggalin mo or luluwagan or hihigpitan mo yung screw na kailangan mong ayusin. Yan. So this is parang fidget device lang, no? Wala siya actually na practical purpose eh. So designed lang siya actually. And I think ito, pwede mo rin siya ilagay dito. And I think there is an extension here. Maybe perhaps this one. Wait. Higpit, ha? It's tight. Okay. So, I think this is an extension. You can place it there. And then there. Oh. Yes, it's an extension. And you can also put it here if you need more torque. Okay. That's it. I'm going to ang ano lang dito, no, since maliliit siya at ang tendency madaling mawala, maliliit eh. So once gumamit ka ng isang bits dito, screwdriver bit, kailangan isoli mo agad siya para hindi siya mawala, no? So let's try this one. Teka, paano ba natin tanggalin to? Okay. Let's say this one. So medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin, ano? Pero okay lang kasi para naman hindi siya madaling mawala. Teka, gamitin ko to. Baka makatulong to. Baka mas madaling gamitin to. Come on. Yes. Okay. So ito mas mahaba, no? Ayan. Okay. Good. And ito, no, tingnan nyo mabuti, no. I do not know kung anong tawag dun sa ibang screwdriver bits, but ito siya, no. Meron namang mga symbol kung ano ang itsura niya. At ayan, close up ko. So you can see all the type of bits na included dito sa ating 180-in-1 Jacemi precision screwdriver set. Okay. So, if you are a tinkerer, no, mahilig kang magkakalikot, magbutingting, no, ito na ang tingin ko na ultimate screwdriver set na babagay sa iyong hobby. So, kompleto na to. And again, I'm saying that maybe 99% ng screwdriver bits, no? Lahat ng type ng screwdriver bits, maybe 99%, I'm not sure, pero halos lahat nandito na eh. I think it's almost complete, if not 100% complete. So, ang ano lang dito, no, napansin ko, no, ito, no, hinahawakan ko. Masarap hawakan to kasi ito, textured grip, and it is rubberized. Pero napansin ko, no, yung rubber na ginamit ni Jacemi, ito yung type ng rubber na nagde-deteriorate later on eh. Ito yung parang lumalambot, nasisira, nalalagkit. So I don't think this will last. Itong rubber coating na to, it would have been better kung ginawa ni Jacemi, ginawa na lang niya tong hard plastic na textured. So yun yung nakikita ko dito na isang negative. So positive in a way na kasi masarap hawakan, makapit, pero negative in a way na in a few years alam ko na magde-deteriorate itong rubber na to. Ito yung naninikit na rubber, yung lumalagkit, yung natutunaw. Yun yung type ng rubber na yun eh. But anyway, masira man yung rubber noon, masira man to, magagamit mo pa rin kasi plastic naman yung ilalim niyan eh. At saka itong mga screwdriver bits na to, hahanap ka lang nung kasukat niya. Ito, itong susukan na to. At magagamit mo pa rin siya. And according to Jakemi, itong mga bits na to are hard bits. Combination of, some of these are chrome vanadium. So matibay yung alloy na yon. And some are S2 alloy steel. Ganun din. Very hard. Matibay na matibay din. So, sulit na rin siya, no? Okay na rin siya. Kasi hindi naman ito ganun kamahal and at the same time kompleto siya and meron kang isang convenient box na organizer kung saan lahat ng tools na nandito ang lahat ng screwdriver bits sa ito ay madali mong ma-access. So that's my unboxing and quick review for this Jakemi 180-in-1. By the way, no, bago ko makalimutan, meron nga palang isa pang model nito 180-in-1 din, pero instead na ang handle ay manual, meron siyang model na di baterya to. So may pipindutin ka to tighten and may pipindutin ka to untighten. Pero ito yung kinuha ko since hindi ko naman masyadong magagamitin to eh. At later on kasi yung mga ganon, magde-deteriorate yung battery, magiging problema mo pa. So, mas makokontrol mo pa pagkakamay mo, pag ikaw mismo ang pumipihit. So, again, that's my review, my unboxing and quick review. And thank you for watching and have a good day.